In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView and MetaTrader MT4 MT5 step by step using alerts. 2025. First, open TradingView and head to any chart you want to use for signals. Choose the symbol and time frame you actually plan to trade, because alerts follow the chart you set them on. Next, apply the indicator or strategy that will generate your signals. Make sure it supports alerts. Most built-in tools do, and many custom scripts expose alert conditions. If your script offers multiple signals, note the exact ones you'll use, like buy, sell, or crossovers. On the right sidebar in TradingView, click the Alerts bell icon, then click Create Alert. In the Condition dropdown, select your indicator or strategy and choose the specific signal you want to trigger the alert. You can also adjust options like how often it fires, once, every time, or once per bar, and set an expiration if needed. Keep these aligned with your trading approach so you don't miss or duplicate signals. Now, enable Webhook URL. Your MetaTrader bridge or EA provides a unique webhook address for receiving TradingView alerts. Copy that webhook from your MT4 MT5 connector or EA interface and paste it into the Webhook URL field. This connects TradingView's alert to your MetaTrader setup, so the message can flow automatically. Next, enter the alert message in the exact format required by your MT4 MT5 connector. This part is crucial. The connector reads this message to decide what to do in MetaTrader, placing orders, closing positions, or sending notifications. Follow the template from your connector's documentation and include the fields it expects, such as symbol, order type, volume, and any tags or authentication tokens it supports. Use the correct text or JSON format and avoid adding extra characters that aren't specified. Click Create to activate the alert. From now on, when the condition is met on that chart, TradingView will send the alert payload through the webhook to your MetaTrader connector, and your EA will process it on MT4 or MT5 according to its rules. If something doesn't trigger as expected, double-check the condition, verify the exact message format, and confirm the webhook URL is correct. It's also smart to verify symbol naming matches your broker's symbols and to keep your connector and terminal online so they can receive alerts reliably. That's the entire process for linking TradingView alerts to MetaTrader via a webhook bridge. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.